Assalamualaikum grade 4 online with computers. Grade 4 students, now we are going to start chapter number 1, how does a computer work. After reading this chapter, students will be able to understand the concept of input, process and output, right difference between man and a computer. First we discuss about what is computer. In our previous classes, we already discussed about computer. Computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity to perform different functions like learning, watching games, listening music, playing games, and writing different tasks and calculations on the computer. It works on electricity, that's why its working speed is very fast. The word computer comes from a Greek word known as compute. Compute means calculate. Nowadays, a large variety of computers are used in schools, offices, shops and railway stations, in different places to perform different functions. And a computer cannot understand a human language because it works according to instructions, and the instructions of computer in the form of binary digits, means 0 and 1, and computer can only understand the instructions written in binary form, and a human cannot understand the instructions of binary language. That's why it converts the instructions of a high level program into low level program. And to perform these instructions, every computer follows 3 steps. First one is input, second processing, third one is output. Input means anything given by the user, and it depends upon the requirements of the user. It means typing data into the computer through keyboards. Data means raw facts and figure. And raw facts and figure means unprocessed form of data. Second is process. Process means solve the problem, making calculation or sorting the data using CPU. Last one is output. Output is anything given by the computer in the form of results. It means giving result of processed data on the computer screen, and the processed information or processed form of data is called information. This is an example of input, process and output. These are the ingredients, and ingredients is like a input. This diagram is a process, and this is the output. By using this diagram, we can easily understand how can a computer work. All machines generally follow these 3 steps. First one is input, process and output. This is another example of input, process and output. First one is enter ATM card in ATM machine, and after processing you can draw money from ATM machine. Similarly, this is another example of input, processing and output. By using maths, we can solve our problem in the same procedure. Type numbers by using keyboard on the computer screen. This is known as input. And the operation which we apply on these digits are known as processing. And after applying operation, the result is displayed on the screen is known as output. Now we are going to discuss difference between man and computer. A man works slowly and a computer can work fast as compared to a man. And man can imagine and think. Computer can't imagine and think. Gets tired and bored of doing the same work after some time, and computer does not get tired and bored after doing the same work even after a long period of time. And man can't do different types of work at the same time. Computer can do different types of work at the same time. Man something wrong, computer always accurate. Man can remember limited information and computer can store lots of information at a time. Must know, a computer is fast, however there are some computers that are faster than others. The speed of computer depends on its processing speed as well as RAM. These are the objectives related to this lecture.